Hi everyone, this is Rocky and join me as I unbox the Shopee box and the Shopee bag that Shopee gave to me for the month of December for their December 12.12 campaign.
Hi everyone, this is Runner Rocky and welcome to my YouTube channel.
For the year 2020, Shopee already sent to me 4 huge gift boxes. It started in September, in October, November, and the 4th one here in December. And I already showcased to you those unboxings of the huge boxes. So for today, join me as I reveal to you what's inside this box. And of course, this bag from Shopee for their December Christmas campaign. And what makes this December box different from the previous boxes is that this December Shopee box is quite harder and smaller than the previous box. This December box is actually a wooden box. So I'm excited to see what's inside this because on the previous months we already see different items ranging from safety kits, gadgets, and balikbayan boxes. So for today, join me as I unbox and reveal the items inside this box. So let's start.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
primary content of this wooden box is this device. This is actually a facial massager. So it will massage your face. And in addition to this is its accessories. So you can see the charger and the different circular accessories that will massage and relax your face. And also included in this wooden box is this one, relax and recharge with handmade bath soap. And of course we also have this, I think this is a wine, and this one, a relaxing stone, so to make your face or some part of your body more relaxing. And of course this one, I think it's for the eyes, to cover your eyes if you want to sleep or if you want to relax during massaging time. So, and of course there's a card here from Shopee saying season's greetings for the media and bloggers that keep supporting Shopee for more than years now. So that's it inside the wooden box. Relaxing items that will truly relax you. It will set out all your stress. And now let's go to the next one, the Shopee huge bag. In addition to the huge Shopee bags, Shopee also gave us this one, the Shopee orange bag, which also contains different items. So join me now as I unbox or unbag and reveal the items inside this orange bag.
Prepare
presenting all the items that I received from Shopee for their December 2020 campaign. Starting from the orange Shopee bag, we have the shirts from Organic Inspired Crown. And then Sensodyne toothpaste, Betadine body wash, Palmolive hair mask, and Alaska sweetened condensed milk. We also have beauty products from Organic Skin. And of course, our monthly jewelry from Mikana. My favorite, sunglass and eye shades from Shigetsu. A special notebook from Havaianas. That's summer. And of course, the wooden bags, the flavor of the month for December 2020. We have a relaxing equipments and products. Primarily, we have this muscular facial massager, including its accessories, and of course, we had a soft salt powder, an eye cover, a wine, and of course, the Merry Christmas card from Shopee. So that's all, mga Karockers, for the month of December. A special set of gifts from Shopee. Literally, we can say that Salamat, Shopee. And that concludes our unboxing of the Shopee box and bag for the month of December. So, stay tuned, mga Karockers, for our succeeding videos for Shopee and for other unboxing of other brands. And of course, we're really excited for the next year because in January, definitely Shopee will have something for us. So, mga Karockers, Merry Christmas and have a wonderful and blissful New Year. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the bell button for more updates, interviews, live stream videos, unboxing, vlogs, and updates from your favorite celebrities and brands here on my YouTube channel. Stay tuned and see you on my next video. See you there!
Thank you for watching Karockers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button here in my YouTube channel Runner Rocky for more updates, vlogs, reviews, reactions, celebrity interviews, high VL news, and livestream videos. See you all.